Crafted in Byron blue and Chawton white, this Land Rover station wagon has a colourway that blends heritage with modern authority. Project Liberty is powered by a 6.2 litre GM V8 that delivers pure muscle through an 8-speed automatic transmission. E.C.D's air ride suspension and EBC performance brakes put control at your command. This vehicle features a 6-point external roll cage, Hella LED lighting, Sawtooth wheels in Chawton white, and a stainless sports exhaust. All details that make Liberty as iconic as it is capable. Inside, strength gives way to sophistication. Granite leather, diamond stitch, trailcat seating, suede headliner, a handcrafted wooden Evander wheel, and a digital rearview mirror. Every aspect of this vehicle was chosen by design. Born of British heritage with the fit and function of an American performance, Project Liberty is a vehicle designed to focus on a smooth, comfortable daily drive.